Do you want to give your videos a surreal and eye-catching vibe? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a trippy, wobbly effect in CapCut Mobile using its built-in video effects. Let's get started! Step number 1, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories, but also you can use the search bar to search for Trippy Wobbly. Tap the effect to preview it. You'll notice a smooth wobbling distortion that bends and shifts the image. Adjustments also can be done. Simply click on Adjust button and slide the slider until you achieve what you want. The slider option depends on the version of CapCut you have. Once you're satisfied with the preview, tap the checkmark to apply the effect. Drag the left or right edge of the layer to control how long the wobble effect plays. Play your video to preview the final result before exporting. And that's how you create a trippy wobbly effect in CapCut Mobile. Warp the view, wow the crew. Thank you for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.